Once upon a time, in a small cozy cottage at the edge of the enchanted forest, lived a little girl named Lily. She had big, bright eyes, and a heart full of curiosity. Every night, just before bedtime, her grandmother, Nana, would tell her the most incredible stories about a magical place known as the Starlight Forest. One evening, as the moon began to rise in the night sky, and the stars twinkled like diamonds, Lily asked her Nana, "Nana, can you tell me a story about the Starlight Forest tonight?" Nana smiled and began her enchanting tale. Long ago, in the heart of the enchanted forest, there existed a hidden world called the Starlight Forest. It was a place where dreams came to life, and anything was possible. Lily's eyes widened with wonder as Nana continued. In the Starlight Forest, the trees sang sweet lullabies, and fireflies danced like living lanterns. The river sparkled with silver moonlight, and the flowers glowed with their own soft light. Nana described the unique creatures that lived in the forest: talking animals, wise owls, and mischievous fairies. They all lived together in harmony, and the fairies were known to grant one wish to anyone who visited the Starlight Forest with a pure heart. Lily listened with rapt attention, imagining herself in the magical world Nana described. Nana concluded, "But my dear, the most special thing about the Starlight Forest was that it held the power to make your dreams come true. If you truly believed in your heart, your dreams would guide you to your destiny." With a kiss on Lily's forehead, Nana said, "Now, my dear, it's time to close your eyes and drift off to dreamland. Who knows, maybe tonight you'll find yourself in the Starlight Forest, and your heart's deepest desires will come to life." Lily closed her eyes, and with a heart full of wonder, she drifted into a world of dreams, where the Starlight Forest awaited her. As she slept, she could hear the faintest whispers of the trees, the soft laughter of fairies, and the gentle lullabies of the river. In her dreams, she was dancing with fireflies and making a wish on the brightest star. And in that magical moment, Lily felt the warmth of the Starlight Forest surrounding her, filling her heart with hope and wonder. It was a place where dreams truly came true, and for Lily, it was the most magical bedtime story she had ever lived. As the night passed, Lily smiled in her sleep, knowing that the enchanting Starlight Forest was just a dream away, waiting for her to explore its wonders once again. And so, a quiet of the night, with the moon and stars as her guide, Lily's dreams carried her to the magical world of the Starlight Forest, where she was the heroine of her very own adventure. The end. Good night, little one. May your dreams be filled with enchanting adventures and the promise that wishes can come true. Sleep tight.